Very quick video. Shaped flashcards available for free. You can print them out, laminate them. You can print more than one set out and make matching games and things like that. But I just wanted to put this on YouTube so people from YouTube see it and maybe go to my website and download them. There's hundreds of free flashcards there and reading stuff to help with reading and writing too. So yeah, let's just go through them. We got heart, oops. Now here's the thing, I wouldn't start with difficult shapes. Square, and maybe a star, okay? So just like colors, if you're just introducing these to very young kids, 2 years old maybe, they probably can't even say some of these words. They probably can't even say some of these words in their own language yet. So just go very slow, you know, have them touch. So heart, square, star, okay? Heart, square, star. Can you touch the star already? Touch the star, blah, 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 blah. And then gradually, as these get very easy for the child, introduce more, like triangle, oops, and circle, okay? This is great as well for young kids, they're still learning. If the kids already know it, okay, you can ask them what color is it, what letter does it begin with, you know, for older students. And then as they get even better, you can teach them the other cards too. Now, for very young children, I wouldn't teach them pentagon because it's not going to be useful for them. I wouldn't teach them hexagon because it's not going to be useful. Crescent, maybe, for a crescent moon. Oval's a very difficult one. So when you introduce the more difficult shapes, like square and rectangle, to a very young child, these kind of look the same shape. So you can say like, look, square, square, okay? Look at this one. Oh, rectangle, rectangle, okay? You know, maybe I didn't do such a good job of that there, but you get the idea. It helps also if you have items in your classroom. I have a phone here, which isn't, obviously don't get a phone out in your classroom, but something similar shape, right? You say, look, rectangle, rectangle. Can you find something similar shape, right? So basically, you can do this. In a previous video, I also talked about the shape cards, which set number 3 has the shapes on too. So the reason for this is after they've learned shapes, you can carry on reviewing shapes while learning lots of colors. So that was the premise for that. There are posters for the colors and posters for the shapes as well. So go to the website. Please write comments if these were helpful or if you have any suggestions on making them better. And then, yeah, that's it. Go visit flashcardsforkindergarten.com and yeah, bye-bye.